Hello. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of
Good
you.
morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
So
morning,
you know
ma'am.
the portion for tomorrow's test?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is
Yes, ma'am.
100 dresses part 1 and 2. 100 dresses part 1 and 2. So we will just revise that chapter. Okay. The 100 dresses. The 100 dresses is based on the real life experience of the writer. राइटर ने जो लिखा है वो फिक्शन नहीं है. Writer experienced this. It is about her real life experience. And who is the protagonist, the main character of this story? The protagonist is a girl, Wanda Petronsky. You can see her name is very strange. She is a Polish girl. She is a Polish girl, and she has come to live in America. She is an immigrant who has come to live in America, and the American girls, they make fun of her. If you see in the schools of America, there is no rule to wear school dress. So the American children, they wear different dresses every day. But Wanda Petronsky is a Polish girl, and she wears the same dress every day. And this is the reason why her classmates make fun of her. They think that she's a poor girl, and they make fun of her poverty. And also they make fun of her because her name is very strange, because she is a foreigner for the American girls. So the main character of the story is Wanda Petronsky, and there are two other characters also equally important, Peggy and Maddie. Peggy and Maddie are the two other girls who make fun of her. So they make fun of her because of various reasons. One reason is that they discriminate against her because she belongs to a different place. She is not an American girl. She is a Polish immigrant. And other reason is that they think her name is very strange, Petronsky, Wanda Petronsky. And also, can you hear me, all of you? My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are many reasons why her classmates make fun of her. One reason is that she is not an American. The other reason is that they think she has a very strange name. And one reason is that they think that she belongs from a very poor family because she wears the same dresses every day. So they think that she belongs to a poor family. So there are other two main characters, Peggy and Madeline. Short form is Maddie, who are always making fun of her. So two girls specially made fun of her. And who are they? Peggy and Madeline. So as I already told you, she's a Polish immigrant. She has come from Poland to live in America with her family. She took admission in the School of American Students. Her classmates found her name to be strange and probably the weirdest in the classroom. Weirdest, very strange, strangest. सारे अमेरिकन जो स्टूडेंट्स थे उनका नाम एक तरह का था. Sorry. But her name is the strangest. in the classroom. This is because they all had an easier and common name, Petronsky. Petronsky is a title which is a bit difficult to pronounce. So, and other reason I told you, one reason is she belongs to a foreign country. Other reason is that she had a strange name, and one reason why her classmates made fun of her was she was poor and always came to school wearing a faded blue dress, same blue dress she wore every day. And also, whenever she entered the school campus, her feet were coated with mud. Her slippers, they were coated with mud, and because she came from a muddy area, her feet were coated with mud, and that is why she was made to sit on the last bench always. So where was she made to sit? She was made to sit all alone in the last row. How did they discriminate? With naughty boys. So how did her classmates discriminate with her? They did not allow her to sit with them. Where she had to sit? In the last row with the boys, with all the rowdy, naughty boys. But she was very, very calm, and she was a gentle girl, quiet. She was quiet and always found sitting in the corner of the classroom. So although she claimed that she had 100 dresses and 60 shoes at home, so she told her other classmates, Peggy and Maddie, that she had 100 dresses. And this was also one of the reasons why they made fun. They said that if she wears the same dress every day, why does she tell a lie that she has 100 dresses? ये एक कारण भी था. तो बहुत से कारण हैं क्यों जो है पेगी और मैडी जो है वो वंडा का मजाक क्यों उड़ाते हैं. इसका बहुत सारा कारण है. एक कारण है कि वो फॉरेनर है, दूसरा कारण है कि उसका नाम बहुत अजीब सा है, और तीसरा कारण है कि वो बहुत एक गरीब परिवार से है. तो इन तीन कारणों से जो है वो उसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं, और उसको कहाँ बैठने के लिए देते हैं? एकदम पीछे के रो में बदमाश लड़कों के साथ. So two best friends, Peggy and Maddie, were the most famous girls in the school. So two best friends, Peggy and Maddie, were most famous girls in the school, while anyone barely knew Wanda. Wanda was not popular. While anyone barely knew Wanda. The story is about the viewpoint of Maddie, who was the best friend of the main player in the daily taunting and teasing. Who is the main player? The story is about the viewpoint of Maddie, who was the main player. Who is the main player? Maddie. Maddie is the main player. इन द डेली टॉन, मतलब सबसे ज्यादा मजाक कौन उड़ाती है? मैडी उड़ाती है. पेगी उसका साथ देती है, लेकिन पेगी एंड मैडी ऑलवेज वेट फॉर वंडा बिफोर स्कूल. तो वो इंतजार करते हैं कि कब वंडा आए और उसका मजाक उड़ाए. इवन इफ दे वर लेट, स्कूल भले लेट से पहुंचे, लेकिन वंडा का मजाक जरूर उड़ाएंगे. Wait for Wanda before school even if they were late. Maddie was a poor girl, but she herself did not like it when Peggy made fun of Wanda. So she was afraid that she could be the target. She wanted Peggy not to make fun of Wanda, but did not have the courage to face her. तो मैडी चाहती थी कि वंडा मजाक नहीं उड़ाए, Maddie wanted that Peggy should not make fun of Wanda, but she did not have the courage to say. क्यों? क्योंकि वो सोचती थी कि अगर उसने एडवाइस दिया तो पेगी जो है नाराज हो जाएगी. Okay. But she herself did not like it when Peggy made fun of Wanda. Okay. She was afraid that she could be a target. She wanted Peggy not to make fun of Wanda, but did not have the courage to face her. वो मैडी चाहती थी कि पेगी मजाक नहीं उड़ाए, लेकिन वो चाहती थी कि पेगी मजाक नहीं उड़ाए, लेकिन उसके पास करेज नहीं था कि वो उसको मना कर सके. Why? What was the reason? Why she did not advise her? She did not want to lose a friend. This is the reason why she did not tell her. Though Peggy's purpose was never to hurt Wanda, but she was very eager to know why Wanda had to lie that she had 100 dresses. Peggy always thought कि अगर एक ही ड्रेस रोज पहन के आती है तो झूठ क्यों बोलती है कि उसके पास 100 dresses हैं. So, but when is the truth revealed about the 100 dresses shown? When is the truth shown? On the result day of the drawing competition. So, the drawing competition was held in the school. And in the drawing competition, who won? Wanda won the drawing competition. Wanda won in the competition. And she drew 100 dresses. She drew 100 dresses. So at that time, the students understood what she meant by 100 dresses. She meant the drawings of 100 dresses. Wanda was very good at drawing, and on the day when the result of the drawing contest was displayed, Wanda's dresses were displayed throughout the classroom. पूरे classroom में Wanda के dresses display हुए थे, और सारे जो Wanda के dresses थे वो एक से एक सुंदर designs. All her dresses had fabulous colors, beautiful designs, and that day the girls understood what Wanda had meant by her 100 dresses. Wanda meant the drawings of the 100 dresses. So she was not lying. She was not speaking a lie. She truly had 100 dresses and all lined up in the classroom. At that time, Peggy and Maddie, who were awestruck, surprised, shocked, surprised that Wanda was such a talented girl. Then they realized, and then they felt guilty. So what is the conclusion? That what message do we get? We should not mistreat anyone. किसी के साथ भी बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करना चाहिए for being different. We should never make fun of the unique differences of our fellow human beings. No two persons are alike. All human beings are different. So no one has the right to mistreat anyone. No one has the right to make fun of anyone. This is the message and the moral of the story. All persons have their unique differences and try to accept them as they are. You should accept people as they are, because all people are different and nobody has the right to claim that they are better than others. किसी को भी ये अधिकार नहीं है कि वो दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाए, वो दूसरे के साथ दुर्व्यवहार करे. ये अधिकार किसी को नहीं है, और जैसे लोग हैं हमें उन्हें वैसे ही स्वीकार करना चाहिए. Discrimination should not discriminate. So we should not discriminate. We should not treat anyone badly, and we should not discriminate, should not treat anyone badly. So then we come to the part 2. Hello, my voice is audible? Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we come to the second part. The second part of the lesson starts with a letter received from Wanda's father. In the second part, Miss Mason is the class teacher, and as soon as Miss Mason enters the classroom, she gets a note from the principal. And in what was written in the note about the decision of moving to a big city. वंडा के परिवार जो है वो नए सिटी में क्यों मूव किया? क्योंकि वहां वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन से बहुत तंग आ चुके थे. अब बड़े सिटी में जो है कोई एक दूसरे को टीज नहीं करता. So Wanda's family decided to move to a Wanda's family had moved to a new city because why? To a new city because they were fed up of being teased. एकदम तंग आ चुके थे. Being teased and discriminated. घर आके वंडा शेयर तो जरूर करती होगी, या वंडा का भाई था, वंडा बहुत सीधी सादी थी तो so maybe her brother shared his experience. So finally they moved to a new city because there nobody would tease Wanda for her uncommon name. They thought she had the weirdest name in the classroom, as well as her appearance, poor dress. After knowing the content of the letter through the teacher, the whole class was in a shock. The whole class felt guilty as they realized that derogatory comments, mean comments, insulting कह सकते हो, insulting comments and attitude towards Wanda. Maddie felt so bad that she is a coward and never stopped Peggy from making fun of Wanda. सबसे ज्यादा खराब किसको लगा? मैडी को, कि उसने पेगी को रोका क्यों नहीं इतना दिन. जब वो चली गई शहर छोड़ के, तब उनको ज्यादा गिल्ट फीलिंग होने लगा. This is the reason. That is why she couldn't focus on her studies. And Maddie was so upset. She was so upset she couldn't focus on her studies. She desired to meet Wanda to clarify her stand, that she never meant to hurt her feelings. She wanted to talk to Wanda. She wanted to meet Wanda, talk to Wanda, tell her that she did not mean to make fun. It was just that Peggy was her friend and she did not want to lose her friendship. That is why she was with her. So she made up her mind to go to her house and tell her that she has won a prize. So Peggy and Maddie both visited the residence of Wanda. Peggy और Maddie मिलके Wanda के घर गए. Both visited. My voice is clear to all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So both Peggy and Maddie visited the residence of Wanda because now everyone was feeling guilty, but who were the game players? Who were actually the teasers? It was Maddie and Peggy. Peggy was the main culprit and Maddie just was with her along. So Peggy and Maddie were the girls who felt guilty the most. And they wanted to do something. So they thought that why not go to Wanda and apologize to her. They felt bad because of them she had to leave the place. So that made them feel guilty. जब पता चला कि उनके कारण वो शहर छोड़ के चले गए, तब मैडी और पेगी को ज्यादा खराब लगा, तो वो गए मिलने उससे। उसका घर कहाँ था? बॉगिन्स हाइट्स पर। वंडा का घर था बॉगिन्स हाइट्स। But till that date, the girl Wanda and her family had already left there. From there, they knocked the front door, back door, but there was no reply. So their visit was fruitless. बेकार चला गया उनका जो visit was fruitless. Then both girls wrote a friendly letter to Wanda to tell her that she had won the contest. Friendly letter उसको लिखा, but after many days still there was no answer from Wanda. They did not get an answer, but the letter did not return back. लेटर वापस नहीं आया, तो इसका मतलब कि वंडा को वो मिल चुका था. वंडा had written a letter and बहुत समय बाद जो है वंडा का रिप्लाई लेटर आया. So when did the reply letter come? Reply letter came at the time of Christmas. When Miss Mason got a letter from Wanda, she wrote a letter to the class teacher. Miss Mason is their class teacher. So after many days, many months, Wanda writes a letter to class teacher Miss Mason on the occasion of Christmas. And she wished Merry Christmas to all. That means she had forgiven everyone. So you can see that what a large heart Wanda has. Everybody made fun of her, but she had forgiven everyone and wished everyone Merry Christmas. Further, she wrote that the girls could keep those 100 dresses because in her new house she will have 100 new ones. Now she has drawn 100 more dresses. So she told the girls to keep the 100 dresses, could keep the 100 dresses. This was her Christmas present to her classmates. The 100 dresses was Christmas present. She gifted all special drawings to Peggy and Maddie, and 2 special drawings were gifted to Peggy and Maddie. तो पेगी और मैडी जो है वंडा का सबसे ज्यादा मजाक उड़ाए, लेकिन वंडा ने सबको फॉरगिव कर दिया और पेगी और मैडी को अपना 2 सबसे बेस्ट ड्रेसेस दिया. They accepted and pinned them in their bedrooms. So both the girls, they were very happy. एक तो थोड़ा मन हल्का हुआ. It lightened the burden of guilt. When they got this letter, what happened? They felt very light. It lightened the burden of guilt on their minds. They accepted and pinned them in their bedrooms. Maddie gazed for a long time at the picture and found that the face in the drawing was resembling her own face. So what was the special thing in the drawing? The drawing had a face. The drawing had a face. मतलब जिसके लिए जो ड्राइंग था उसका चेहरा भी ड्रॉ किया था वंडा ने. So she was very talented painter. Along with the dress, she also painted the face. तो Maddie resembling her own face, same like her face. मतलब वो ड्रेस उसके लिए था, उसका चेहरा भी. तो उसने सोचा कि अगर मेरे ड्रेस पे मेरा फेस है तो पेगी के ड्रेस पे भी उसका फेस होगा. She ran to Peggy's house to see her drawing too. And Peggy was also happy after getting the same in the drawing. Peggy's face was also there. Peggy has consoled herself that Wanda will really like them. So Peggy has consoled herself. उसने अपने आप को सांत्वना दिया कि चलो वंडा को बुरा नहीं लगा कम से कम. Maddie agrees to all this and blinks away the tears. Maddie is more sensitive. Maddie is very sensitive, emotional than Peggy. So she starts crying when she thinks of Wanda, that they behave so badly, but still Wanda has remembered them, sent dresses to them, her 2 most favorite dresses. There are a lot of mistakes in the story showing how racism. So this is also about racism. Recently, there has been lot of row on racism. Racism affects the social and personal lives. We just saw how due to racism, one family had to leave the place. One family had to leave the place. And the story is making people. So we should not discriminate. So again, the story is giving a message about racial discrimination in society. It is one of the ills of our society which has an adverse impact, bad impact on the people. So story is clear to all of you? Hello? Any doubts,
Yes,
anything?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I will ask you a few questions. Where was Wanda made to sit and why? बताओ, who will answer? कहाँ वंडा को बैठने के लिए
The
दिया?
last corner.
Last row. Why? One reason you give. Because? What is the reason?
How does to made her from other?
Because? Ankush? Repeat your
All
answer.
discriminate.
Your voice is not audible, Ankush.
All discriminate.
Because they discriminated against her. They discriminated against her. For being a foreigner. Then, second question. Then, who won the drawing competition?
Wanda.
Wonder.
What had she drawn? So Wanda, Ria, you want to answer? Ria, answer karo.
Wanda won the drawing competition because she has because she made for drawing.
What had she drawn? Wanda ने क्या draw किया था? Wanda ने क्या draw किया था?
Ma'am, frock.
हाँ?
Ma'am, frock.
What had she drawn? 100 beautiful, fabulous dresses.
100 beautiful hairs.
Yes, she had drawn 100 beautiful dresses. What was written in the, okay, then what was written in the note from Wanda's father?
Ma'am, Wanda go to the another place.
Yes, very good, Ria. Yes, Wanda had moved to a new city. Wanda के का पूरा परिवार जो है भेदभाव से तंग आकर और दुर्व्यवहार से तंग आकर नए शहर में चले गए थे. ये नोट जो है in the note from Wanda's father. So Wanda's family had moved to a new city, new place, being fed up of the discrimination, racial discrimination and racial discrimination and the mistreatment, दुर्व्यवहार भी किया जाता था ना. वंडा को बॉयज के साथ पीछे बैठा दिया जाता था, हर दिन उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता था. Okay. And what was written in the note from Vanda's father? This is the third question. How did Peggy and Maddie make fun? What question did they ask? Maddie name should be in capital letter. Maddie you can write, or Madeline. Make fun of Wanda. How did they make fun? Who will answer this? Hello.
By asking her that how many clothes she had.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Jigyasa. Very good. By asking her how many dresses she had. By asking her how many dresses she had. She had. How did Wanda respond? What did Wanda respond when they asked her? Who will answer? Mimansa?
That
How did-
is
Okay, Ankush,
160
you want to answer? Okay, answer.
that she has 100 dresses.
She very casually replied. मतलब वंडा को ये भी नहीं लग रहा था कि उसका मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है. Right? That she had 100 dresses. She never reacted and fought. She had 100 dresses. Never got angry. She never got angry, never reacted.
Ma'am, she had 100 dress now.
She had 100 drawings of the dresses. Dresses actually नहीं थे. वो जो dresses के बारे में बताती थी वो actually वो drawings जो उसने बनाया था dress का उसको वो refer कर रही थी. In reality, she did not have the 100.
मैम आप वहाँ पे
हाँ?
यस मैम आपने वहाँ पे 100 ड्रेस नहीं लिखा, सिर्फ 100 लिखा है.
अच्छा. Okay. Thank you, Jigyasa, for pointing out. Yes, I missed the word. Okay. She had 100 dresses. हाँ, ठीक. She never got angry, never reacted. She was very, very quiet, gentle girl. After they asked her, and Wanda very casually replied that yes, I have 100 dresses made of silk and velvet and all of different colors, all lined in my closet. So she replied very casually, and when she moved a little further, जब वो थोड़ा आगे जाती थी तो सारी लड़कियां उसके पीठ पीछे हंसती थी. Then they all laughed together in chorus. And then they would ask her about the shoes. How many pairs of shoes you have? Then she would say 60 or 70, मुझे doubt है. And then she would say that shoes are also of different colors and all are arranged in the closet. So this is how the girls made fun of her. So basically this chapter is about racial discrimination. And it gives the message that no one has the right to treat anyone badly. All human beings are the same. We should not discriminate. We don't have the right to consider ourselves superior because everyone is unique in their own way. So we don't have the right to consider ourselves superior than any other person. All have their own good qualities and bad qualities. And don't make fun of anyone, don't mistreat anyone. because it hurts their feelings. So, like, we saw the victim of racial discrimination, how they had to leave and move to a new place. So, okay, our class ends here. Okay. Okay, bye all of you. Get prepared for your next class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया चैप्टर का?
Yes, ma'am.